All right, guys, we are live here today with Nate. Nate, can you please introduce yourself? Where are you from? By yourself.
Yes, sir. So yeah, my name is Nate. I'm actually from Seattle, Washington. I grew up here most of my life. Enjoyed playing soccer. And then I just recently graduated from the University of Washington. Studied finance, information systems, which is kind of funny because Daniel also is a UW alum as well. So we graduated from the same university. And yeah, I started my cleaning company here about almost a couple months ago, I'd say. And yeah, it's been great so far. It's just a little bit about me.
Cool, Nate. So let me ask you a question. What did your business look like before joining the Clean program?
Yeah, it's a great question. As far as my business, I was in a different program before I joined Clean. It helped me get to a certain revenue milestone. But I didn't have the right systems. I didn't have I didn't have a super strong foundation of the different areas within the business model when it comes to marketing, hiring, sales. I felt like it was more, like it was there just to get you to a certain stage, but it wasn't everything you need to continue scaling your business in a strong way. So when I started, how I started, joining Clean is I first found you on Skool. I was looking for, different resources to learn about the industry and to grow my business. And I saw you were doing live streams on a week to week basis. And I was like, wow, like I don't know anyone else doing that in this industry. I felt like a lot of times for me to even get access to coaching, I had to, join the program straight away, but you were giving out value and you were showing how to do it for free in the beginning. So that's what I joined. And then I started getting a lot of information. I started like getting better with my business. And then I was like, okay, there's only so much I can do by myself. I want to have someone that's with me, like especially like as an accountability partner. I feel like that's something that helped me whenever I invested in myself. I knew like, you invest in yourself, so you have to make it work. And I put pressure on myself that way. It's like if I invested X amount, I better get X amount of results. Sometimes we think we can do so much on our own, but for me, when I started investing in myself, that's when I saw my business explode. I could say that.
How much revenue were you doing and what kind of things were you struggling with?
Yeah, so I did my first 10K month in January. Um, and that was because I was dependent on one marketing channel, right? And I didn't understand that, the importance of diversifying your marketing and hiring and everything like that. And then the next month, I did like 4K. And then, now we're like, I'm done. I'm gonna end up with 20K this month. And next month, next few months, I want to scale it continuously as well. But the only reason I was able to get to that hump or that over that 10K mark, the biggest unlock I'll say there's three. One, marketing, like learning different marketing channels. Two, hiring, right? Learning the strategies from your program on how to hire cleaners. And three is virtual assistants. That's what I told you in the beginning. I was like, I want you to teach me how to get a virtual assistant. And ever since I got a virtual assistant, like these past few weeks, it has given me so much time and freedom to like grow my company exponentially compared to how I was these past few months. And I could have gotten to where I'm at a lot quicker if I didn't, pause ads and whatnot, because I was trying to graduate college and stuff like that. If I implemented everything from the get-go and I wasn't in school or anything like that, I think I'll be doing like these numbers a lot quicker with your program and what you taught us.
Cool. So you mentioned you went from 4 to 20K revenue. What other specific wins or big results have you had since joining the program?
Yeah. Other results I've had is like I'll say just having access to speaking to someone like you. There's a saying, right? You're the average of the five people you spend the most time with, and being able to join those weekly live streams on a week to week basis, being able to pick your brain, try to understand things from your perspective, it helped me align um, how conduct my business. But I think another thing is just the mindset. There's some within the clean program that I've seen that that talks about mindset and how to manifest your dreams and things like that. That's not anywhere else. From what I've seen, I haven't seen that anywhere else. And that was like the biggest unlock is like, if you want to get to a certain goal, you first have to believe that you can get there before you can get there. If you have a limited belief, there's like, you can try everything in the world, but if you don't believe in yourself, like there's literally no way for you to get there. So that was like the biggest unlock, I'll say for sure, is like once I opened my mindset, I was like, okay, it's possible. And then of course the program, the coaching, and then the community as well. Everyone is nice. Everyone is trying to learn from each other. Everyone is supportive. Um, I think that's like another thing is being in a community-based environment where people are trying to support you, things like that. I feel like it's extremely essential as well.
Well, man, you mentioned there's a lot of different parts that are part of the clean program. We have the community where you're surrounded by other people who are just straight beasts. You have people in there doing 10, 15, 20, 30K a month, right? You're surrounded by those people. You have coaching calls, you have accountability, you're learning new systems to implement in your business. What would you say has been your favorite part of the program so far?
Yeah, yeah. My favorite part about the program, I'll say, is honestly, um, like those weekly live streams. Like I think the biggest hurdle in the beginning before I joined Queen is, people want to know like, is if I join to the full program, is it actually going to help me get there? Is it actually going to improve my business? Things like that. You let people see, like you give people a sneak peek of what Queen can provide for them, as long as they're dedicated and they actually like show up to the cause and ask questions and like that. And I've gotten some value while I was just doing clean. That was a part of while I was CBU. That's a part of clean, and I've seen that work firsthand. I'm like, okay, so there's a ton of value already, and you still give out a lot of value. So I was like, that I feel like that was my favorite part. Is like you being so open to about your business, showing us the back end, and like I felt like the way you go about it is you just genuinely want to help people win. You just genuinely want to help people win, and that's what was important for me. Is like I wanted to work with someone that wanted me to win just as much as like I wanted to win. And I think that's my favorite part is just like the coaching and that aspect of like the mentorship, things like that. Because there's definitely similar programs out there, of course, but I like to invest in people just as much as I invest in myself. And whenever you're investing in a coach, I feel like it's important to know that you align with that coach's mindset and their values. If there's an alignment there, then yeah, like there's no way you can't succeed. I feel like.
Nate, you touched on something very, very important, which is in this age of internet gurus and course guys, you have all these people who are just basically scamming people with like courses and everything like that. But you touched on in these weekly calls, like I will literally show you the back end of my entire business. I don't blur out any information, right? So you can see that you're being taught by someone who's been through the trenches and is like actually using the methods that you're taught. Would you agree?
Oh yeah, 1,000%, 1,000%. Like, I mean, people, there's definitely, within the info space, um, there's definitely a lot of people that feel like, they might have invested in a program and they didn't get the results that they felt like they were scammed. I wouldn't always consider them being scammed. Sometimes it's up to you. Like you got to implement what's there. Like if someone says this how to do X, Y, Z, like you got to make sure you do X, Y, Z before you can say it was a scam or it didn't work. But at the same time, there are some that doesn't give you what you need, and that's kind of what I felt. It's like I joined another program, I got what I needed, but I just didn't feel like it was enough to get to the next level. Does that make sense? So I was like, and then once I seen you like implement your business, your how you do things, you do it, you show it to us, you show the back end, everything, and you literally in my city, like you're my neighbor at this point. Like I could walk, I can come to you and be like, hey, like what I mean. So it's like there's like no way I cannot learn from somebody that's like, it's like that community aspect that I said about it. It's like it's more of a community. It's a personal relationship just as much as a business relationship. And I feel like that's extremely essential when you're investing in yourself. You want to invest in somebody that you can trust, and you have a guarantee in your program as well that I really loved, and that definitely helped solidify my decision in joining KLEAN.
Yep. What would you say to someone who's on the fence about joy?
I'll say first, just like check out CBU. It's completely free. There's no risk, right? Like you can literally go there and see what you see live streams, everything. But at the end of the day, um, I've actually like tried to like I've actually worked with people in my own, like you can call them friends and whatnot. I've tried to teach them how to do what I was doing for free. There's only so much you can do. Um, if something is free, like yes, you can use it, and but when you invest in yourself, you're gonna like you're gonna put when you invest in yourself, it's kind of like you put your money where your mouth is, kind of thing. Like if you truly believe in yourself, and you've seen the success that CBU has given you, you've seen that, you've seen a little taste of it. Imagine if you actually invested and believed in yourself, and you like, yeah, I can make this work, and you join the program. Then and you just imagine how much you could be doing. Like you could look at me as a testimonial, how much that's impacted my business. And as long as you believe in yourself and you know you could do it, and you know you have the work ethic, and you know you're not going to give up, there's no limit to what you can do. So it's like it's important to believe in yourself first, and then of course, legit making sure the program is legit. And the way you do that is by looking at the program. You can speak to Daniel one-on-one. You can speak to students like me and other students who have gone in the program, who succeeded in it. You can ask us any questions about it, and we're very, very supportive community and everything like that. And yeah, so definitely say like look into the content, understand that there's a lot, but there's only so much you can do if you don't know it, right? So you need to like get guidance for it. No one grew up, no one was born knowing everything. Like if somebody's done it before you, like learn from them. And if you have to invest in yourself for that, you'll make 10, 20, 30, 100 times more. So the return on your investment is going to be extremely high. So like don't be afraid. Take the plunge, believe in yourself, and just execute. That's what I would say.
Nate, thank you for sharing your story.
Of course.